up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. We got a lot going on today. I got to do some stuff in the garden, but right now I got several loads of some 3-inch crusher run. We're going to start putting the driveway in today, and I'll go over some details with you here in a little bit and show you what's going on. I'll tell you what, guys, these truck drivers for this Pryor Stone company, they really know what they're doing. They tailgate awesome every time. They did my driveway last time, and they could save you a lot of time and money as far as equipment work, tractor work, dozer work, whatnot, just by tailgating it for you. And you can see how they did it. They do it all the time. They're awesome. What's up, guys? Now you've seen, that's how I did this road. It was a little different from how I did my other driveway. It's probably not the same way a lot of you guys did your driveway. Kind of got in a bind where I need to have some of this 3-inch crusher run laid down for the concrete trucks, cement trucks, whatever you want to call it, coming in on Monday. That way we have no problems with them getting stuck. Normally, what I did last time, what I was going to do is bring the tractor or dozer in here and scrape off about 6 inches of topsoil, put it to the side, and then bring in this 3-inch crusher run, drive on it for a couple months, and then bring in some 1.5 inches and some chat or whatnot on top of that. But ran out of time, didn't have time to get the tractor in here and all that stuff, so we just went ahead and laid it on top. I've seen plenty of people around this area do this exact same thing. Might not be the right way, but it seems to work around this area. So that's what we did. We built the driveway to the new house, going right up into the garage. Hope you guys like the footage. I got some, hopefully the drone footage works this time. I had a couple videos ago, I was gonna put some drone footage for you guys on the house update, but I just couldn't get it to upload it. Something's jacked up with my SIM card. So hopefully I get to show you guys some drone footage of the actual driveway coming in. That's what it was, guys. Took 3 loads to get there, and these guys, if you guys can get a good truck driver that knows how to tailgate this stuff, it will save you a lot of time and energy and money when it comes to building these roads. Because my friend's coming in with this tractor, and he's gonna dress all this up like 50 bucks an hour. So if I would just had them pile this up out here, three or 4 loads, it would have took them all day to make this road. But a good driver makes a world of difference. You guys can see in the video, he did an awesome job. But that's what it is. All right, guys, hope you liked this video of building the new driveway. If you did, smash that like button for me if you would. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and click the little bell for notifications. And I'll see you guys next time. And thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it.